Hi everyone, my name is Keith, a machine expert with USACLEAN for 12 years, and this is the Taski Swingo 350B auto scrubber. In this video series, I'm going to show you some general maintenance that you can do yourself to help keep your machine running at peak performance, and it's going to help minimize the cost and need of sending a service tech. Okay, so we need to replace the Recovery Tank Lid Gasket. Very simple. First, let's take the lid off of the machine, just like that. Okay, now, what we want to do is just take it and pull it off just like that. Now take your new gasket, reverse the steps. Slide it in the one side and push it down. And work your way around. Make sure it's all the way in. And now, put it back on the machine. Slide it back down. Push it forward. Just like that, and you're done. Once again, my name is Keith. For all the parts listed in today's video, plus thousands of diagrams and how-to repair guides, be sure to click the link in the description below or visit us on the web at USACLEAN.com. Now, if you like what you watch, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for future videos. Stay safe and thanks for watching.